everybody keeps saying invest in Yamuna Expressway, invest in Yamuna Expressway and the area around this. But why? क्यों कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ को ना? So that is what we need to understand. I was just heading towards the Yamuna Expressway right now with a friend of mine who is willing to invest in that region. And I told him that you always invest in the future. And ये जो area है यहाँ पे of course there's the new airport coming. सबको पता है in fact just yesterday the honorable CM was here and he had an inspection, and I think in about a month the airport will finally go live. But besides the airport there is also the railway corridor which is being built. You see the connectivity of the highways which is being built in and around Noida and Delhi NCR region. The connectivity through roads is also excellent. So that covers almost all modes of transport. But besides that, what I think will play a critical role here is AI space is growing immensely globally. And wherever there are these AI companies, there are a lot of data centers. This region already has a lot of data centers, but there is potential for even more. In fact, there are more data centers which are coming up. If you Google about it, you'll find out the number of companies which are expanding with their data centers here. Then I also shared with him that there is a huge push for setting up the semiconductor industry here. Foxconn is developing their unit here. Then Hiranandani has set up a park. So all in all, this region along is being pushed as a major hub for manufacturing and industries to come up in, with the connectivity and the land resources and the government policies, which makes it the ideal place for the future. There are a lot of projects which have come up there at very attractive prices. There's a project by Eldeco, there's a project by Gore, then there are some residential plots which are available. So if you think you would also be interested in getting into this space and sort of starting a real estate journey, do give us a call. My number is mentioned below, as you will see. It's also mentioned in the profile. And in fact, do let me know what you think about this region, as to why do you think this region will grow. And before you go, do like and subscribe our channel, especially subscribe our channel. We'll come up with more such interesting topics. So if you want to stay updated, like and subscribe. Thank you.